Today I'm going to make something different, something that you have asked me, many of you have asked me to do, which is start with Hebrew lessons. So I'm going to introduce Hebrew language for you, and today in this lesson I'm going to teach you also how to pronounce the 22 letters of the alphabet. I'm going to show you the differences and the similarities with Arabic script, with Arabic language, and I hope you will like it. So this is a series of Hebrew lessons that I'm going only for you, for the ones who asked me to do it. Okay, I am an Arabic mother tongue, but also I can call myself a native Hebrew speaker because I was born learning both languages at the same equal level. I am born to Arab parents, so my original mother tongue is Arabic, and since I was a baby, I learned also Hebrew as a native speaker, so as a native language. Okay, so as you know, Arabic and Hebrew language are very similar. They both come from the original Aramaic language, and especially Hebrew characters are very similar also to the Aramaic ones. So I'm going also to show you the different letters, how they evolved in with the years, and how we have now the standard Hebrew, the modern Hebrew characters that are really similar to the Aramaic ones. They are not similar at all to the Arab ones, to the Arab letters that we have already studied. In writing they are totally different, but in pronunciation they are almost 90% similar. And also, once you have learned Arabic, it's like you have learned half Hebrew, or once you have learned Hebrew, it's like you have learned half Arabic or even more, because both languages have the function of root letters in the word. For example, kitab in Arabic means book, and maktab means desk, and katib means writer. So with the same letters we form many words that have something in common. Also in Hebrew it's the same thing, and many Arabic words that you have learned, like for example kalb, dog, it's kalev in Hebrew. So walad, boy in Arabic, yalad in Hebrew. Bint, girl in Arabic, bat, girl in Hebrew. So they are really similar, and you will be very surprised of how if you have learned one of these languages, you will be so much surprised of how similar the other one is to the language you have already learned. So why not begin also with Hebrew if you're interested in languages? And I'm going to begin also showing you the 22 Hebrew alphabet. We have 22 letters. They are also written from right to left, just like the Arabic letters. But there's one good news here, is that we never connect the letters one to another. So we don't have to learn actually how to write it at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of the word, just like the Arabic ones. Letters in Hebrew, they are the same as they are when they are isolated. So it's only what you have to do is learn the letter itself, and you don't need to connect it to the other one. Letters are disconnected, isolated when we want to form words. This is the good news, but there is also bad news. Bad news is that while in Arabic we don't have capital letters and small letters, so you have to learn only one form of the letter, in Hebrew we have capital letters and small letters, and they are completely different, just like in English. The B in English, capital letter, is not like the B small letter. Okay, so they are different also from capital to small letters. I'm going to show you the capital letters now, and I'm going to introduce to you only the sound, the pronunciation of the 22 Hebrew alphabet. Okay, you will find many similarities with Arabic, and I will also tell you the equivalent Arabic letter to the one that I'm going to teach you in Hebrew. Let's begin. The first letter in Hebrew is Aleph, just like Alif in Arabic, but as you see, it's big symbol, and I'm going to show also to teach you how to write it later. Now we're interested only in the pronunciation. Now Aleph, it's not like Alif, it's Aleph, and I want you also to concentrate on the differences between the languages and learn them separated. Okay, so this is Aleph. One word with Aleph is the word Abba. Abba means dad, father, Abba. The second letter in Hebrew is the letter Bet. bet, just like ba in Arabic. It's like the B sound in English. And one word, for example, the word bayet. Bayet, it's just like bait in Arabic, and it means house. Bayet. The third letter is the letter gimel. Gimel. So it's a g sound, ga 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 ga, which doesn't exist in Arabic. In Arabic we have jim like Jamal, but we never have gim. So it only exists in Egypt, as I told you. I don't know if you remember. But anyways, we don't have g in standard Arabic. Gimel is only in Hebrew. Gimel. One word, gamal. Gamal is the Hebrew camel, which is in Arabic jamal. Gamal. The next letter is the letter dalet. Dalet. The D sound. Dalet, just like dal in Arabic. Dalet. And one word, dalet. Dalet means door. This is different from Arabic because Arabic we say bab, in Hebrew dalet, so many words are also not the same. The next letter is the letter hey. Hey. Just like the ha in Arabic, very strong H. Hey. And one word is who. Who means he. He is, okay? Who means he, like just like huwa in Arabic, which means he. Good. Next letter is the letter vav. Vav. Just like waw in Arabic, it functions as a V sound. We don't have V in Arabic, but V in Hebrew. And it functions also like the oo sound, like the waw in Arabic. So one word at the beginning, vered. Vered. Vered means rose. Just like warda in Arabic. Vered. Vered. The next letter is the letter zayin. Zayin. Just like the za, zay. Zayin. And one word with zayin, zer. Zer. I don't know how to call it in English. The bouquet of flowers. Bouquet. It's French. Zer. Zer. The next letter is letter het. Het. Now this, we have to talk about this. Het. It's only pushing air outside of your mouth, which is like the ha in Arabic, like himar or habibi. Het. But nowadays Hebrew speakers, which are mostly accumulated in Israel, they lost the biblical sound of this letter, and many letters also lost their original sounds. And nowadays in the modern Hebrew, let's say the one that I'm going to teach you, the one that is spoken inside Israel, is slightly different from the biblical Hebrew. So we are going to learn only the normal simplified Hebrew language, which is modern nowadays. And in the modern Hebrew language, the het is not pronounced as ha het, but it's pronounced as chet. Chet. So just like the cha in Arabic, many people from Arab origin, many Jewish people from Arabic origins, they would pronounce this as het, as it was originally taught to them. But many, let's say, European Jews who came to Israel and speak the European accent of Hebrew, they would pronounce it as chet. Chet. In TV shows, in the street, you would hear it as chet. Chet. One word is the word khatul. Khatul. Khatul means cat. Khatul. It can be also pronounced as hatul. Hatul, but you will know that the one that pronounces it het, it has some Arab origins. He comes from some Arab countries, or also an Arab who speaks Hebrew would pronounce it the original one, hatul. But Jews nowadays inside Israel, modern Hebrew, they would pronounce it as chet. Okay, next letter is the letter tit. Tit, which is like the glottal ta in Arabic. Ta, tit. One word is the word telephone. Telephone. Telephone means telephone. Telephone. And one other word is the word taba'at. Taba'at. Taba'at means ring. Taba'at. Okay. Next letter is the letter yod. Yod, which is also a vowel. This is the ya, the e sound. Yod. For example, One word is the word yad. Yad. Yad in Hebrew means hand, and yad in Arabic means hand. Just the same word.